Hey, good morning, everyone. So I'm changing front axles on this Kia Sedona right here, one of their Kia minivans, and I want to show you something. And on one side it has an axle with a female, on the other side it has an axle with a male. Just dropped something. So I'm on the side with the female, and let me show you this. Here's the female stub that sticks out that the axle goes around. The clip, I have discussed this before, but the clip has a opening in it. Let me see if I can find it. It's actually, where is it? All right. The opening right now is at the top. On this type of a clip, you want the opening at the top. You want the gap to be at the top, so this way it centers. What happens is, if the gap is at the bottom and you try to put this on, the edge that's hanging over can actually catch a spline and roll into the spline, and then you'll jam the axle and never get it in. So at least this way, the slit of the gap of the clip is hanging out up there. It'll fall down into place, and it's protected by the groove. So this way, when the axle slides over, it'll self-center the clip as the axle's going in place. So always have the opening of the clip facing upwards. This also applies, hang on, to a regular axle that has a stub. Always have the notch, the opening, facing upward. So this way, as you can see, it falls down and is protected by the groove itself. Because otherwise, like I said, you see there's enough of a gap there that if it was on the bottom, that thing could actually slip and roll into one of the grooves, just like that. See that? So that's why you have it sitting down in there. Sometimes you actually got to pack some grease in there too. You pack a little grease and it'll help hold it centered so it doesn't roll around and stuff like that. So there's my little tip for today. If you're getting anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. Help me make more videos, better content. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.